All right, so now that we've talked about the delicious sliced turkey breast, we are going to make a crunchy Thai turkey wrap with sunflower butter sauce. First of all, we are going to put some coconut milk in a saucepan. So now we're gonna add our soy sauce, and we have some lime juice here, a little bit of brown sugar, rice vinegar, granulated garlic, some dried ginger, some hot chili sauce like sriracha, and some water to a boil. I'm gonna give it another stir with my whisk there, and it's really starting to boil, so I'm gonna add my sun butter. And you can see that it looks like it's just breaking up in there because it's so hot. But really, we just need to get it to start to melt. All right, and voila, there you see we have a delicious sun butter Thai sauce. I'm gonna show you how to make the delicious crunchy Thai turkey breast wrap with a sunflower butter sauce. So we have our tortilla here, our whole wheat tortilla, and I've counted out 6 slices of turkey breast, and then I'm gonna stagger them in stacks of 2 on the tortilla. Then I'm going to add a half of a cup of delicious veggies. Then we made our Thai sauce here. If you're gonna serve it hot, you can go ahead and just put it right on the wrap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold my wrap up on the sides. Then I'm gonna bring the back up and squish the ingredients back into the wrap. And then I'm going to roll. And there you have this delicious, crunchy Thai turkey wrap with sunflower butter.